This Harcourts Northwest Oregon Realty Group property video is presented by Donna Paradis. European Feeling Farmhouse and Grounds. Enter through the custom red gate and explore. The farmhouse is a 4/2 with master on the main. Spacious kitchen and cooking island. Family room could separate living quarters. Home has been updated, but kept its original charm. Grounds offer unique landscaping and fenced courtyard area, 2 acres of hazelnuts, 2 big garage shop, greenhouse, 2 covered porches, second shop with bathroom. Think hobby farm or bring your animals and toys. For more information, review the details below or contact Donna Paradis at 503-851-0998.